Alright guys, welcome back. We're out here again, taking a look at my Subaru Outback. I got another update for you guys. So I just got what I'm calling version 2 of my exhaust. As you can see, there's a different exhaust pipe on the back. If you check some of my earlier videos, you might see it's a different exhaust because the old one was kind of falling apart, so I decided to get a new one. And today we're going to do a cold start. So I'm gonna set this down here and get it all set up, and I will do a cold start. Just a second here. Alright, so as you guys can probably hear, it sounds quite a bit different now. It sounds a lot deeper, a lot more growly. It sounds really good. So I'll let it keep going for a little minute, for a few more seconds here. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I know I'm definitely looking for those subscribers, trying to hit 500 subs right now. So definitely hit that button. And thank you guys for watching again.